Welcome guys, welcome to the next part of my Python programming series, that's Python keywords and identifiers. At first we discuss about the Python keywords. Python keywords are the reserved word in Python. Okay, the Python keywords are the reserved words in Python. We cannot use a keyword as a variable name, function name, or any other identifier. They are used to define the syntax and the structure of Python language. There, in case of Python, the keywords are case sensitive, and there are 33 keywords in Python 3.7. Okay, like that, you can see the keywords I am written here. Also, there are some keywords: false, await, else, none, break, except, try, if, def, for, del, elif, else. There's others: continue, import, pass, many others keywords. There are total 33 keywords in the Python language. Okay, these are the list of our keywords. You can see here I do an example using if keyword. If 2 equals to 2, then it's print it's true. Okay, if I run this code, it returns the true. Okay, if you can see it, I use the else keyword also, and in the case of else, it prints it false. It prints it's false if 2 not equals to 1. In this case, it prints false because 2 not equals to 1. It's anyone knows. These are the use of the keywords. Okay, let's come forward. Rules of identifiers. Okay, identifiers and identifiers is a name given the entities like class, functions, variables, etc. It's helped to differentiate one entity from another. Okay, there are some rules for writing an identifier. The first one, the identifier can be combination of letters in lowercase or uppercase or digits or an underscores. Name like my class, var underscore one, and anything, my name underscore one, two. These all are valid in the identifier. The rule number two is an identifier cannot start with the digit. It's a vital rule in case of identifier. An identifier cannot start with a digit. That's like one variable. You can see it. I returns one var. It's not a being a identifier. It's a invalid syntax. Okay. In case of var1, it's a valid. Name underscore one, it's a valid. Okay. Next, rule number three: the keywords cannot be used as identifier. Okay, you can see here there is some list of the keywords. Oh, where is this? Okay, here a false, false, await, else, none, break, except, try. These keywords are never been used as an identifier. Okay, and if you write it here, you can see if I write a keyword as identifier, that's mean global. Global equals to 1. I think it's will rise and syntax error. There is a syntax error. That means global is a keyword, and we are trying to use the keyword as an identifier, so it's arise an error. That's syntax error. So global is a keyword. A keyword cannot be used an identifier. Same thing if you see the rule number 4, we cannot use special symbol like exclamation, at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage, etc. in our identifier. You can see I written the written an example for in case of identifier. If I run this, it's arise an error since like invalid syntax. If I do same thing except the at the rate annotation, okay, if I run it, it's give output is called 1. Okay, that's the total things about the identifier. And one another identifier rules are identifier can be any length, can be of any length. You can write an identifier name in 10, 20, 100 also. Okay, and identifier length is in any length. Okay, so this is the full session about the keywords and the identifiers. In keywords is the reserved words in Python, and there are 33 keywords in Python, and keywords are reserved in case. And the identifier there are 4 to 5 rules are in case of identifier can be a combination of letters in lowercase, uppercase, digits and an underscore, and the identifier cannot be starts with the digits, and the keywords cannot be used as an identifier, or we cannot use special symbols in identifier. And identifier can be any length. Okay, I write it the 5 in here. Okay, an identifier can be of any length. Okay, can be of any length. So guys, this totally about the keywords and identifiers. So if you like this video, so like and subscribe my channel, and please go through my next videos for understanding the full courses. Okay, thank you.